Good morning, fellows. It's me Ali, and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of Euro US dollar and the precious metal gold. Guys, as you can see here on the 1 hourly time frame of the precious metal gold, the gold has violated the double top resistance level of 1788. The closing of candles below this level, if I zoom out, that's trying to form, that has formed actually the ascending triangle pattern. As you see here, market was forming a high, market fell down to place the low somewhere around 1758 level, and then market bounced off to place a high of 1787, which is like almost the same level of 1788, and it has formed the double top level here. And then market again fell down, and where did it fell down? It fell down to form a ascending trend line, as you see here. And the closing of candles above this, the candles which are like doji, the hammer, and then we had a bullish engulfing, and then we had three white soldiers pattern on the hourly time frame. These were suggesting the bullish bias in the market, and finally market violated the triangle on the higher side. So for now, as you see here, the market was holding in the overbought zone. If you look at the RSI and the MACD, the gold is holding in the overbought zone, and it needs to retrace back before showing us a further buying trend in the market. So that's what it is all about. Like today we like below 1797 level, the gold have to show us a bearish retracement, because before showing bearish retracement, it is very hard for us to take a buy position in it. Therefore, the idea is, considering the RSI and the MACD or MACD, the idea is to wait for a bearish retracement at least until 38.2% level, which marks around 1788 level, and the violation of this level, which is not very likely. But anyways, if market fell below like 38.2% level, the next support level is likely to be found somewhere around 61.8 level, which holds at 1783. However, the overall trend seems bullish. Therefore, we have to we need to try not to take a sell position in order to avoid reversals. Let's go with the trend. So let's wait for the market to drop down, and then we can expect a bullish trend. So for now, the immediate resistance is going to be found around 1797, and above that 1804 is likely to extend a very solid resistance for gold. Okay, now let's take a look at the Euro US dollar. On the 1 hourly time frame of the Euro US dollar, guys, the market has violated once again the sort of an ascending triangle pattern. However, that was not a perfect ascending triangle pattern, therefore the market has not respected it. However, what I see here, there is a upward trend line in the market, like ascending trend line, which is testing the which is providing and extending support somewhere around 1.1267 level. As you see, this has become a very solid level. I must say, this is one of the most highlighted area for now. Let me highlight it for you. This trading range is one of the most highlighted trading range, because uh, in between this range, I will not take a position, but anyways, as soon as market breaks out of this range, I will be happy to take any position. This breakout can occur like even in a one go. For example, if market breaks below and start making candles below this level, which is 1.1266, the next target for Euro USD is likely to be somewhere around 1.1280 level. And if you say like, this is going to be like the difference of 45 pips, which can be a pretty nice trade for considering the intraday trading. Anyways, if market manages to stay above 1.1266 level, if it continues to hold above this level, and if you are looking to enter in a market, one idea can be, we can take a buy position. Let me try to draw a line here. We can take a, let's say, buy position somewhere around here. I think this is something that we can, okay, long position. Okay, so this is something, this trade idea can work above 1.1267 level. This is going to be the trade idea. It means that we need to target 32 pips while our stop loss is going to be 13 pips. So this can be a pretty nice trade if market manages to stay above the support level. While in contrast, if market falls below this particular level, then the selling opportunity can be taken here below the support level, and we can target here. And while our stop loss needs not to be very high, but this needs to be 30 pips stop loss, and take profit is likely to be 35 pips. So guys, this is something that we can try today, and let's keep an eye on it. And thank you so much for joining this session. I hope to see you again tomorrow with a new trade setup. So have a very profitable session ahead, guys.